Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. I hope you all are doing well. So today's video is all about my recent favorite items. All the things that I've been currently using, loving and low-key obsessed with. I'm going to share all the things with you all. So without any further ado, let's get started into this video. First things first, I have to talk about one of my most favorite things that has happened in this year, which is my solo trip. I recently took a solo trip to Chiang Mai in Thailand, and oh my god, it was all things beautiful, so perfect. Now, taking a solo trip was in my bucket list since years, but kuch ho nahi raha tha. And then suddenly things aligned. I happened to book tickets 4 days before leaving, and I couldn't be more grateful. कहते हैं ना हर चीज का एक सही वक्त होता है, तो you just have to stop chasing and it will all happen. बिल्कुल वैसा ही हुआ and I am just so happy that I could take this solo trip because it was peaceful, it was so insightful. बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आया. I any which ways love my own company, so I had a blast. Okay, next up we have something that I picked up from my trip, which is this really cute pink shrug. Look at the color. It's so freaking cute. I'll pop in some pictures over here on the screen. You can just have a look. कितना ही प्यारा लग रहा है. Like I felt so feminine, so girly in this. It has this really nice lace detailing. जिससे आप बहुत ही cute सा bow बना सकते हैं. So I really like it, and also it's just a reminder that okay, I had the most beautiful solo trip and I picked something like this really cute from my first trip. So yeah, here's to the first solo trip. Next up we have this pair of denim that I picked up from Bershka months ago, but off late मैंने पहनना शुरू किया है, and oh my god, it's the perfect baggy jeans ever. You can just have a look in this video. बहुत ही ज़्यादा सही है. Like the fit is so classy, so nice. Also I got some compliments कि यार तू किसी और का denim पहन कर आ गई है, which I think by the way is a compliment because वो baggy jeans ही क्या जो आपको ऐसा ना फील करवाए कि अरे आपने किसी और का जीन्स पहना है. You know what I mean? So extremely comfortable. You can check out Bershka. They have some really good denims. I was looking for nice running shoes and these gel Kianos from Asics are so good. Perfect fit, gives great support to your ankle and are so comfortable. So if you're looking for nice running shoes, you might want to check this one out. Now, since Shadi season is around the corner, I picked up this really gorgeous neck piece set, which is from Tanishq. And I love this diamond necklace. बहुत ही ज़्यादा dainty है. I am any which way is not a fan of those kind of jewelry जो बहुत ज़्यादा भरचक लगे. I want something that's minimal, classy. Also Indian के साथ जाए, Western के साथ जाए. Like I can actually wear this neck piece on this top and it will still look very beautiful. So love how timeless this is. Love it. Great purchase. I have started journaling again. बीच में रुक गया था, but now we have restarted and this is the book, this is a journal that I'm using. It is gifted by Bhavsheel, who was there with me in Zyada Matod, and it's a simple book but मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद है because it just helps me clear out all the thoughts and journaling in general is a very therapeutic process. I follow this 3-page rule wherein you have to write at least 3 pages. जो भी thoughts आ रहे हैं in no particular order, keep on writing and trust me, the kind of impact you'll see on your mind emotionally, mentally is going to be so good. So try it out and thank me later. Next on the list is this book that I recently finished, Palace of Illusions. I'm so glad I finally could read this. And it's a very beautiful book. It is, it reimagines an epic Mahabharata that we know of through Draupadi's eyes. Okay, so बहुत ही सुंदर perspective है, बहुत ही सुंदर तरह से लिखी हुई है. It dives deep into the thoughts and vulnerabilities of Draupadi. So you can actually feel that it's so intimate, so thoughtful, and I loved enjoying. I loved reading this one. Now let's move on to some skincare, makeup, hair care, all things glam basically. Starting with this makeup pouch right here. It's a pouch that my mom got from a local market, but I'm sure आपको Amazon पे मिल जाएगा. The best thing about this pouch is that इसमें बहुत सारी compartments है. इतने सारे compartments है कि मुझे एग्ज़ैक्टली पता है कि मैंने कहाँ चीज़ कैसे रखी है, चीज़ें टेढ़ी-मेढ़ी भी नहीं होती है, जैसे मैं रखती हूँ बिल्कुल वैसी की वैसी रहती है, लाइक मस्काराज़ कहाँ है, क्या चीज़ कहाँ है, इट्स जस्ट सो कन्वीनिएंट। देयर इज़ दिस ज़िपर ओवर हियर, साइड में काफ़ी सारे सामान है जिसमें मैंने कुछ टिश्यू रखा है, कुछ मतलब बेसिकली रैंडम टिडबिट्स के लिए भी बहुत अच्छे से स्पेस है, सो यू कैन एक्चुअली ऑर्गनाइज़ योर मेकअप वेरी नाइसली, सो लव इट। Get this from Amazon, you'll I'm sure find it. Now let's move on to some hair care because my hair needed a lot of extra attention. So as you all know, last month was all about back-to-back shoots, Diwali festivities, preparing for my friend's wedding, and of course travel. My hair felt very dry, very frizzy. उन्हें actually समझ ही नहीं आया कि behave कैसे करना है. तो बस ऐसे ही frizzy से रह रहे थे. Until I found this one. This. Guys, this was my biggest October find. Oh my god, I can't stop raving about this range. It's the Nexus Pro Man Moisture range. I start with the Pro Man Moisture Collagenizing Shampoo, and this shampoo literally surprised me because it lathers so quickly, yet being so gentle. You know what I mean? It cleanses my scalp without drying it out and locks in moisture in just 1 minute. ओके, प्रो टिप, अगर आपके बाल बहुत ही ज़्यादा फ्रिज़ी हो रहे हैं, देन ट्राई कटिंग योर हेयर वॉशेस टू टू 3 टाइम्स। आइडियली 2 बार ट्राई करो, मैं 2 ही बार हेयर वॉश करती हूँ एंड आई कैन सी दैट माय नेचुरल ऑयल रियली हेल्प्स माय स्कैल्प अ लॉट। शैम्पू के बाद आई यूज़ द कोलेजनाइजिंग ट्रीटमेंट मास्क एंड दिस वन गाइस smells heavenly and it has been my biggest rescue. It has trillion protein transfusion plus collagen, so it repairs hair bonds from inside and adds shine from outside. Again, a pro tip. Always finger comb while applying mask. It spreads better and avoids tangles. On to the last step and also my favorite, the ProMend Oil Resurrection Serum. 6 drops on damp hair before styling and sometimes 1 drop after. It gives the most effortless shine without feeling oily. It has a trillion protein plus lipid blend that brings your hair back to a soft virgin-like feel. I'm going to leave all the links in the description box. Definitely check it out. It's worth every penny. Now moving on to a couple of makeup products because why not? I'm a makeup paglu and I know that you are also a makeup paglu. My recent obsession is this face palette by NARS and मुझे ना वो बहुत बड़ी-बड़ी palettes ही पसंद है. I like these compact palettes which are very easy to travel with and this one in particular, I love the shades. Perfect formulation, very easy to work with and complements Indian skin tones really nicely. So get your hands on this one if you're actually looking for a nice, handy dandy face palette. Next in the makeup category is this eyeshadow palette and this concealer. I think I've talked about this concealer a lot of times. It's again by NARS. Very creamy formulation. Easily blendable. हाथ से blend करो, brush से करो, blender से करो. It's just so good. बहुत ही अच्छा coverage मिलता है. So I'm actually like I'm not a very concealer girly, but this just gives such a natural finish कि I can actually see a little bit of difference before using and after using this one. So you can check this one out as well. And we have this eyeshadow palette by Scarlett. बहुत ही बेसिक शेड्स है. अगेन इफ यू लाइक मी जो बहुत न्यूट्रल शेड्स प्रेफर करता है आंखों के ऊपर, देन यू कैन चेक दिस वन आउट एंड आई पर्सनली फील दैट दिस ब्रांड डज रियली गुड प्रोडक्ट्स. मैंने काफ़ी प्रोडक्ट्स इनके यूज़ किए हैं एंड दे एक्चुअली वर्क वेल एंड इनका फॉर्मुलेशन बोलो, क्वालिटी बोलो, बहुत ही अच्छी है. सो check this one out. Next and the last category is food, and we have 2 items in the list. One is the magnesium supplements that I've been recently taking. If you all don't know, magnesium is one of the most important minerals for women. It supports hormones, mood, overall balance, and it's very important to get your magnesium levels checked. So, अगर आपने कभी check नहीं करवाया है, definitely get it checked and only take it after your doctors prescribe you. But this is just something that I wanted to share because I could actually see a lot of difference in terms of my sleep, muscle recovery, and overall well-being. I noticed better sleep quality and less muscle fatigue. It's very easy to take, very gentle on the stomach also. So, yeah, it's the Slow Triple Magnesium Complex by Wellbeing Nutrition. And lastly, we have protein bars from The Whole Truth. I am obsessed with this brand. I love the protein powders. I love the protein bars, basically everything about this brand. And I can clearly say that they are actually giving us the whole truth. सब कुछ ही clearly mentioned होता है. आपको पता है कि आप क्या डाल रहे हो अपने पेट में। इट्स टेस्टी, इट्स वेरी ईज़ी ऑन द गट एंड इट्स क्लीन। और क्या चाहिए आपको? बस यही चाहिए। And that's it, guys. We are towards the end of this video. These were all the things that I've been clearly loving using and बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है। बहुत टाइम बाद मैं ऐसे बैठ के आप सबके साथ बातें कर रही थी, तो मैं थोड़ा-सा मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मैं भूल भी गई हूँ कि कैसे बात करनी होती है। So I better make more YouTube videos so that I can share more bits and pieces of my life. But I hope you all enjoyed watching this one. Do check it out, the Nexus Pro Men Moisture range in the description box. I'm sure you all will love using this one. एंड बाकी भी सारे प्रोडक्ट्स के जो लिंक होंगे वो मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी एंड आई विल सी इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो टिल देन टेक केयर लॉट्स ऑफ लव बाय